Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will move to the System Settings section. The System Settings screen is an administrator-level screen because it controls important system behavior, company information, module settings, integrations, backups, and document branding. To access this screen, you can go from the Admin dashboard and click on the Settings shortcut. Or, from the left-hand side menu, go to Admin, then choose System Settings. Once the Settings page opens, you will notice the menu on the left-hand side. Each tab controls a specific part of the system or a specific module. In this video, we will start with the Company Information tab. The Company Information section contains the main company details, such as the company name, company short name, country, email address, telephone number, fax, mobile number, website, P.O. box, and address. Then we have the Time Region field. This field determines the system time zone used for timestamps and log files. For example, if the company operates in Jordan, we can select UTC+3, Amman. If this field is left blank, the system will use Jordan time by default. Next, we have the Financial Year field. The financial year is displayed in the Browser tab next to the company name. This is useful when the company has different databases or different financial years, because it helps users know which year or database they are currently working on. For example, if the financial year is 2026, the system will show this year next to the company name. Finally, we have the Starting Year and Ending Year fields. These fields define the default date range used in the system dashboards, especially the Incoming Dashboard and Accounting Dashboard reports. For example, if the starting year is January 1st, 2026, and the ending year is December 31st, 2026, the dashboard charts and reports will use this date range by default. So, when we go to the dashboard, we can see that reports such as Chart by Nationality, Monthly Packs, Profit and Loss, and Receivables and Payables are displayed based on the same starting and ending dates defined here. After entering or updating the company information, click Save to apply the changes. This completes the explanation of the Company Information section. In the next video, we will continue with the General tab in System Settings. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.